Welcome to this video. This is Dr. Kiran Dele, and in this video we'll see the concept of proportion, right? So fundamental concept of proportion. Let's get started. Proportion. If two ratios are equal, then we say both are in proportion. Two or more ratios, in fact, two or more ratios are equal, then we say they are in proportion. So if two ratios are in proportion, then product of extreme is equal to product of means. What does this mean? See, these are two ratios. A is to B is in proportion with, so this is symbol of proportion, right? So A is to B is in proportion with C is to D. So extreme terms are these. A and D are extreme terms, right? Extreme terms, n terms, and B and C are mean terms. These are mean terms and these are extreme terms, right? So this ratio can be written like this also. A upon B is equal to C upon D. A is to B can be written as A upon B, and this proportion can be replaced by is equal to C upon D. These two ratios are equal. These two ratios are equal, so they are in proportion, we say. So here by cross multiplying this, A into D, product of extreme terms, A and D is extreme term of proportion, is equal to product of mean terms, right? So this is what it means. So pretty much simple to understand. The A is called as first proportional, B is called as second proportional, C is called as third proportional, and D is called as fourth proportional, right? So this is basic stuff of proportion. So we have one more concept of continued proportion. What is continued proportion? A is to B is in proportion with B is to C. So B is continued here, right? B is continued here. So this can also be written like this. A upon B is equal to B upon C. So A is to B is equal to B is to C, right? So by cross multiplying this, B square is equal to A into C. What is A and C here? Extreme terms, and B is mean proportion. So A is called as first proportional, B is second proportional here. So we only have B as the second proportional. So C is the third proportional, right? So this is what continued proportion is. So this is how it is. We'll solve few questions. So to make it clear, the the second and fourth terms of a proportion, right? The first, second and fourth terms of a proportion are 5, 15, 19. So we have four terms also. So A is to B is in proportion with C is to D, right? Because there are four terms we are given, right? Four terms of the proportion we are given here. So this must be the ratio, this must be the proportion, right? This cannot be continued proportion, because in continued proportion we only have three terms, but here we are given four terms. So A upon B is equal to C upon D, right? This is how it is. So A is the first term, and that is given as 5. A is equal to 5. B is second term is given as 15, and C is asked. D is fourth term of the proportion is given as 90. We have to find the third term. We have to find third. So A upon B is equal to C upon D. A is 5 here upon 15 is equal to C upon 90. Right? So C is equal to 90 into 5, 90 into 5 upon 15. So 5, 3 is 30. C is equal to 30. I hope this is clear now. C is 30. So this ratio is equal to this ratio, 30 by 90, right? So this is 1 by 3. So this is also 1 by 3, right? Value of C is 30. I hope this is pretty much clear to you guys. The ratio of length to width of a rectangular sheet of paper is 5:3. The ratio of length to width of a rectangular sheet of paper is 5:3. Length and breadth. right? So the ratio of length to width, okay, 5:3. This is length and this is breadth. If the width of sheet is 18, so this width is 18, right? Find the length. Find the length. So this has got multiplied by 6. So this will also get multiplied by 6. The length is 30, right? Right. This is simple ratio thing we are doing here. I hope this is, or if you want in proportion format, so 5 is to 3 should be equal to, this is length upon breadth ratio. 5 is to 3 is actually equal to, this is our width, right? This is our width. So 18 and this is what? This is what is asked, right? So this is actually got multiplied. So 18 into 5 by 3, so 6, and so this becomes 30, right? This is what proportion is, but this question could have been solved using ratios, simple ratios. So this 3 parts is equivalent to 18, right? So this part has got multiplied by 6, so this part will also get multiplied by 6, right? So to get the corresponding values.